Naka-video din. Hindi tayo pwede din bata may bayad kaya hindi mo pwede masabak palingkuran man.
Cellular phones and other portable electronic devices must be switched off or put in silent mode. Games and MP3 may play using with your phones and not with speakers or amplifiers. Thank you.
Pati makina, sinailis niya. Kasi magsasalita pa yung ano.
And this is Shane together with my team. Welcome aboard Subgo, making sure moments happen with you. We are now ready to depart. Forward button to manage the aircraft is Captain Robbie Bunting, Aviation Sector, First Officer Luigi Aragón. Our flying time is approximately an hour and 20 minutes.
Ladies and gentlemen, please direct your attention to your cabin crew who will demonstrate the safety features of this aircraft. Each seat is provided with a seatbelt. To fasten, push ends together. Tighten seatbelt by pulling loose end. To unfasten, lift toggle buckle and pull free end to release. In case of water landing, your life vest is found under the seat. Remove sharp objects from your body. To don, slip vest over the head. Take tape around the waist and push end to buckle. Pull tape to tighten. When outside the aircraft, pull inflation tags to inflate vest. Manual inflation is done by means of the red tube. Blow to increase air, and push pins inward to release air. Light automatically illuminates once the battery is immersed in water. Do not inflate the life vest inside the aircraft. Please be reminded that unauthorized removal of life vests from the aircraft constitutes theft and is punishable by law. The cabin is pressurized. Should there be a rapid change in cabin pressure, oxygen masks are available on selected panels with an indicator. When this happens, insert a sharp object into the pinhole. Immediately grab the mask, pull it towards you, put it over your nose and mouth, and breathe normally. Cabin crew shall assist in the administration of oxygen after a decompression.
Please take note that face masks must be removed before putting on the oxygen mask over your nose and mouth.
In case of emergency evacuation, follow the lights that will lead you to the exits. For further information, please refer to the passenger briefing card found in your seat pocket. This aircraft is equipped with emergency exit signs found in the cabin. The location of the nearest exit may be behind you. In any eventuality, guests must leave the room and immediately proceed to the usable exits. There are also fire extinguishers in the cabin. Operation of the device is indicated on the
someone. Wasn't getting over you. When I move to the side, when I move, call you mine, and I know what you're feeling. I'ma take you for a ride, let me take it off your mind, 'cause you know it's a season. And I move, and I move, and I move when I ride, and I move, and I move, and I move when I ride, and I move, and I move, and I move when I ride, and I move, and I move when I, yeah. I get so tired of making me take your night, predicting it's all that I'll do, 'cause yeah. I let you show, don't let you in on my life. I tell you the things that you need to know. I know you like that, I know you need that. The way you're moving your body, don't need your feedback. I know it makes sense, don't know I play pretend. I guess I was there when needed someone. Wasn't getting over you. When I move to the side, when I move, call you mine, and I know what you're feeling. I'ma take you for a ride, let me take it off your mind, 'cause you know it's a season. And I move, and I move, and I move when I ride, and I move, and I move, and I move when I move, and I move, and I move when I ride, and I move, and I move when I, yeah. I get so tired of making me take your night, predicting it's all that I'll do, 'cause yeah. I let you show, don't let you in on my life. I tell you the things that you need to know. I know you like that, I know you need that. The way you're moving your body, don't need your feedback. I know it makes sense, don't know I play pretend. I guess I was there when needed someone. Wasn't getting over you. When I move to the side, when I move, call you mine, and I know what you're feeling. I'ma take you for a ride, let me take it off your mind, 'cause you know it's a season. And I move, and I move, and I move when I ride, and I move, and I move, and I move when I ride, and I move, and I move, and I move when I ride, and I move, and I move when I, yeah. I get so tired of making me take your night, predicting it's all that I'll do, 'cause yeah. I let you show, don't let you in on my life. I tell you